You step out into the bright sunlight, look up, and suddenly your nose twitches. Without warning, you're trapped in a violent sneezing fit that you didn't even start. This isn't an allergy or a cold, it's a neurological short circuit called the photic sneeze reflex. Your optic nerve and trigeminal nerve are packed so tightly that their signals literally leak into each other. When the sun hits your eyes, your brain gets confused and thinks there's an irritant inside your nose. It's a biological error shared by 20% of the population, a glitch where light becomes a physical sensation. Next time you look at the sun, notice if your brain,